Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to file taxes on Charles Schwab investments. So first is you just have to access your investment dashboard. So you have to log into your Charles Schwab account at schwab.com and then navigate to the investment overview page where you can see your portfolio value and find the tax documents section in the sidebar navigation. Next is download your tax documents. So just go to the tax center page and select the appropriate tax year, and then you will find all your tax forms including 1099B capital gains and the 1099 DIV or the dividends, and as well as the 1099 INT, which is the interest, and then you can download each form that you need. Next is you just have to review the capital gains and the losses. So check your realized gains and then the losses report for a breakdown of short-term versus long-term capital gains. So this shows your cost basis information and helps you understand your tax liability. Next is import your tax into software. So use TurboTax or H&R Block, or you can also similar tax software to import directly from the Charles Schwab, and then you just have to select the import from brokerage and connect your Schwab account to automatically pull all 1099 forms. Lastly is review and file your return. So review the Schedule D in your tax return to ensure that capital gains are correctly reported. And then verify the dividend income matches your 1099 DIV. And once everything looks correct, submit your tax return. So consider consulting a tax professional if you have a complex option trades or wash sales. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!